Okay, so today we're going to work on decomposing the number 11, and this is the process that you'll use for all our team numbers all the way through 19. The students have already learned 11, 12, and 13, but we're going to review those before we move on to the other. So this is something that they should be familiar with. This is our double 10 frame. There is a copy of this in your packet or on Google Classroom, whichever way you're getting your instruction. There's also a white page of the hide zero card, so you'll just want to cut them out like that. And then you'll need some kind of small manipulative. We've got some pennies here. You can use Cheerios, gummy bears, whatever you have at home, beads, whatever will work that will fit in these boxes. So I'm just going to walk you through the routine that you'll do on Monday with the number 11, and then you'll do the exact same thing with all the other teen numbers. Okay, so to begin, you'll tell your student, okay, let's count out 11 counters or whatever it is that you have, and then we're going to put them in our 10 frame. Now, when we fill a 10 frame, we always start with the top 10 frame and then move to the bottom one, filling from left to right, top to bottom as we go. So to fill in with 11, it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I always like to have them go back and count, especially when we get into these higher numbers, just to make sure they got the right number. So go back and have them recount, and once they're certain that's 11, then you can proceed. So then we'll say, okay, how many do you see in your top 10 frame? 10. Okay, grab your 10 card from your hide zero stack, and I just have them put it beside that 10 frame. Okay, how many are in your second 10 frame? 1. So we're going to grab our 1 card and put it beside that second 10 frame. So now you can see it decomposed into 10 and 1. So now we're going to do a little magic with our hide zero cards, and they're called hide zero cards because we hide the 0. So I'm going to tell them to take their 10 and their 1 and to hide the 0 with their 1 so that they can see what their whole is. And here we see that it's 11. So once they see that, we'll let them go ahead and write their equation. So my first part is 10, my second part is 1, and my whole is 11. And then have them read it back to you. 10 plus 1 equals 11.